If you want a quick way to quickly remove background from photos on iPhone, this is the video you need to watch. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro, and without any further delay, let's learn how to quickly remove background from photos on iPhone. In order to quickly remove the background from photos on iPhone, first of all you have to look for the photo from which you want to remove the background. So let's open Photos and select the photo from which you want to remove the background. Next, you have to tap on the share icon and then swipe up like this and tap on the option that says Save to Files. And tapping on Save to Files will show you an interface like this where you can rename the file or photo, or you can also tap on Save directly to save the image to Files app. The reason why we want to save this image into Files app because we have an easier way to quickly remove the background inside the preview app of Files. So let's see how to use that remove background option in the Files app. Simply minimize this and let's open the Files app and look for the photo that we just saved to Files app. Then tap on it to open the photo using preview. And once it opens inside the preview app, simply tap on this three dot icon and there you will get these options. And among these options, you have to tap on remove background, and this will quickly remove the background in single tap from the photo. And once the background from the photo has been removed, simply go back and this will be saved with the removed background. So this is how you erase background from photos on iPhone completely free. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to remove background inside Photos app on your iPhone, make sure you tap here to watch this video. Thanks for watching.